S24 series phones are here, and I'm going to tell you how to get the best trade-in values and deals on your phones right now in this video. So if you're interested in that, of course, we've got links in the description. I'll take you straight to the Samsung website or Best Buy, and let's get to it. So maximum trade-in credit value this year is $750, which is pretty good. It's a lot better than what we got last year with like the $550 they were giving you for the S22 Ultra. So now, if you'd like to trade in the most value you can get, well, we're going to talk about it now. S24 Ultra. So if you want to trade in last year's S23 Ultra, you can get up to $750 trade-in credit, which is okay. It's not $1,000, but $750 is pretty decent. So you can go ahead and go that route if you want. And if you want to trade in something like your iPhone 15 Pro Max, they're giving max value for that as well as the iPhone 15 Pro. We have new colors, so I'll talk about those real quick. And you have titanium green, titanium blue, titanium orange, titanium violet, titanium yellow, titanium black, and titanium gray. Also through Samsung, they're giving double your storage. So base storage is 250 gigabytes. They're giving you a free storage upgrade to 512, and you get Samsung credit. So if you use the links that I have below, these are different than going to the regular Samsung website. Samsung is giving you $100 credit, but with my HAL affiliate link, you get extra $50 of Samsung credit. So that's $150 Samsung credit towards extras if you want to get a case, a watch, earbuds, or both. And if you did the reserve your pre-order, which I talked about extensively, then you get an extra $50 on top of that for a maximum $200 of Samsung credit, which is a lot. And then they have a 15% student discount as well. And they have other discounts like your first responder, military, and things like that. You can get up to 1 terabyte of storage with the S24 Ultra, and the S24 and S24 Plus you can get 512 for the 256, which is really good. So, like I said, you get 750 max. So if you want to trade in your S23 Ultra, it's 750. Z Fold 5 is 750. S22 Ultra is 650, which is still better than last year. Z Flip 4, you can trade that in and get 650. Z Flip 5 is 600. That's actually, Z Flip 4 and Z Flip 5 are $600. And if you want to trade in your Note 20 Ultra, they're giving $600 for that, which is way, way better than last year. So that's good. If you want to trade in an iPhone, like I said, iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max are $750, and then it drops to $550 for the 14 Pro Max. iPhone 15 is $550. So they have decent trade-in values for that. You can't trade in your Pixel 8 device, but if you want to trade in your Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro, 7 Pro is $450, Pixel 7 is $300, Pixel Fold is $600. So that's for the S24 Ultra. Best Buy also has a deal going on where you can trade in and get money for that as well. So for Best Buy, let me see here. They are giving a max of 870 storage. Up to $870 trade-in credit. That's going to be max for the S24 Ultra. It'll be less for the S24 or the Plus, but they are giving a $150 Best Buy gift card. That might also be a good way to go too. And when it comes to the S24 series, we'll go ahead and look up that one now. So the S24, their credit is a little bit lower, but again, you get the free storage upgrade from 256 to 512. They have the 15% student discount. You get your military, your first responder, whichever discounts they have there. So you can get the S24 as low as $249 with max trade-in. You can get the S24 Plus for $449 with a maximum trade-in. And then for the S24 series phones, you have Jade Green, Sapphire Blue, Sandstone Orange, Onyx Black, Marble Gray, Cobalt Violet, which looks really, really nice because you guys know I like purple. And then they have Amber Yellow, and it looks like you can get them as early as January 31st. Now, the trade-in values for those, like I said, with Samsung, the max you're going to get is, they're giving $750 still. For the Plus, if you trade in the S23 Ultra, the Z Fold 5 is $750 as well, and then it drops to $650 for the S23 Plus or for the 22 Ultra, which is pretty good. And then Z Flip 4 $600, Z Flip 5 $600, Note 20 Ultra also $600. And then, like I said, you've got the deals through Best Buy as well. And let's go ahead and look at the regular S24. S24, same colors, same storage deal. Oh, actually, the S20, I'm sorry, the S24 starts with 128 storage still, but you can get the free upgrade to 256. And then max savings on that for trade-ins. S23, they'll give you 550 bucks. S23 Plus, they'll give you 550. S23 Ultra 550, Z Flip 5 550. So decent trade-in deals on that. Let's look at the iPhone real quick if you wanted to trade something like that in. The iPhone, if you want to trade that in, iPhone 14 Pro Max 550, iPhone 15 Pro 550, iPhone 15 Pro, 14 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max are giving 550. So it seems like they want you to trade in your iPhone for the S24 series. S24 Plus, like I said, it's pretty decent as well. We'll look at the Apple iPhone 750, 750. So you're getting max trade-in value whenever it comes to the Plus or the Ultra, which is pretty good. So those are going to be your best ways to go if you want to go ahead and trade it in and you want to go ahead and buy it that route. And then they've got the carrier deals, of course, which I do not have all the carrier deals yet. Let me look here. So T-Mobile is giving the S24 on us, trade-in required, up to $800 max trade-in credit, 24 months bill credit. Stuff's with the Go 5G Plus, and it's probably pretty similar whenever it comes to Verizon. Verizon Galaxy 24 Plus on us. See, this is what I was talking about in my video that I just made 2 days ago, saying, hold off, don't get the S23 series, because Verizon was like, oh, you can get an S23 series Plus on us. Well, you can do that with the S24 Plus, and that's trade in any Samsung phone, any model, any condition. That's pretty darn good. You're like an old useless Samsung phone, and you can get the S24 Plus on them, and they've also got the watch and tab on us as well with trade-in, so that's pretty good. They're also offering double the storage, and it's probably the same whenever it comes to T-Mobile. Yeah, S24 Ultra on T-Mobile up to $1,000 off. That's really good. And then we'll look at AT&T real quick. So pretty decent stuff. S24 Plus on us, same thing. This is what I talked about with my video just 2 days ago. Wait till the S24 launch because they have these trade-in deals that they're giving the same thing. They were just trying to clear out storage for the S23 series phones. So you can get the S24 Plus on them, eligible trade-in, any year, any condition, Samsung phone. Actually, it doesn't even say Samsung. Let me see. Trade in a Galaxy phone any year, any condition, get double the storage if you pre-order with them. So pretty lucrative stuff here. Pretty much all the carriers, you can get the S24, S24 Plus on them, and it looks like the typical $1,000 trade-in credit for whenever it goes to the Ultra series, which of course those are going to be plan dependent likely, especially with T-Mobile. They've got their Go 5G. If you have a lesser plan, they're going to give you less for that. But overall, max 750 trade-in credit, I think that's pretty decent. It's better than last year's 550. It seems like the carriers might still have better deals if you want to get something basically for free, and it's very lucrative if you can trade in essentially any Samsung phone of any model in any condition. With most of the carriers, it seems like, at least with AT&T and Verizon, and you can get the free one, which is nice, and they've got the double the storage for pre-order. So those are nice things. Those are pretty darn good. Samsung is definitely a lot better than the 550 that we got last year. So it's nice to see a rebound there. It's not $1,000 trading credit, but that's probably something that you'll more likely see with the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 later on this year when those come out, if you want to wait for those. And that pretty much wraps this video up. I always like to make this video, go through it, talk about it, and be like, okay, this is what we have. These are the trade-in deals. This is the trade-in values. And like I said, over at Best Buy, you still get the double storage upgrade, up to $150 Best Buy e-gift card, and they've got pretty good trade-in deals over there, up to $870 as opposed to the max $750, and then you can get that $150 gift card. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, you get an extra $50 of Samsung credit if you use the link that I have that you can't get just from going to the Samsung website. That's the exclusive $50 credit through the HAL affiliate I use. That's only for Samsung. That doesn't apply to Best Buy. So there you have it. Those are the prices. That's pretty much a wrap on this one. I think that they did all right. Whenever it comes to this stuff, it's better than last year. So I am happy about that. It's at least a bump up. It's like $200 extra more this year than last year. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. Hopefully this is helpful and save you some money. Again, I have links in the description. You can save extra money that way and get your free accessories, get your extras, get all the bonus stuff that you want, and call it a day and sit around and wait. If you're having issues trying to buy one of these, and I talked about this in the video as well, the Samsung website is notorious for having issues, has problems with checkout. I already know people having issues with it. Try a different browser. Sometimes it's just Chrome. Try Edge, try Safari, try all that other stuff. Try those. Try mobile on your phone. Try the Shop Samsung app. Those are different ways you can try and get around having the website issues that typically plague the launches and seem to be having issues already. So that's all I've got. As always, if this was helpful, if you enjoyed this stuff, please hit the like and the subscribe button, little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. I'll be covering these phones extensively. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.